I usually trade a lot of $5 wide Iron Condors, but I just added some money to my account. Would it make more sense for me to move to 2 lots of $5 wide Iron Condors or go to one $10 wide Iron Condor?
I would rather see you go one $10 wide Iron Condor. From our research, the wider you can go, the probability of success goes up as opposed to the contracts, and that's what you want.
We've done a lot of research on this one too, and the research is really clear. You're way better off widening than adding contracts. That's all there is to it. Anytime you can widen the contracts as opposed to adding more contracts. It's not about the transaction cost or anything like that. It's just about you just have a higher probability of profit, and it's a cleaner trade. You always want to keep your contract size as small as you can. Let's go to the next slide.
All right, so you've got a couple spread trades under your belt, and you're ready to start scaling up your trading. The common thought is to just increase the contracts, but this is only multiplying the risk and reward of the position, essentially pushing the chips in and doubling up. Instead of adding contracts to the position, consider widening out those spreads. All this together means that a $10 wide spread will have a higher probability of profit and a lower probability of realizing losses compared to a $1 spread with 10 contracts. Instead of increasing the contracts, consider widening out the spreads. By doing so, we will increase our exposure to the Greeks and potentially shorten the duration of the trade. We'll increase our probability of success and at the same time decrease the probability of realizing those losses.